How to sign in to your PNC Banking Online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log in or sign in to your PNC online banking account. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for pnc.com just like this, which will officially take you to the official website of PNC, mobile banking, online banking. And once inside here, you can simply tap on the sign in button over here, and basically you just have to enter all of your correct user ID just like this. And you can also click on this remember user ID if you use the same device, but don't do this unless you use your personal device. If you're using public device, I don't recommend using this or checking this box. And you can just simply enter your password just like this, and once you do all of that correctly, you can simply click on sign in button to successfully sign into your PNC personal banking account online. So you can also register a new account if you don't have one, and similarly you can also reset your password by simply tapping on this forget password if you have forgotten your password correctly. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.